These days we write on paper like this. It's called A4. It's a particular size and shape. Not so long ago we used to use paper like this, rather bigger, or at least longer, and it was called Foolscap. What a peculiar name. How did it get that name? Well, some people think it's because you could curl it round like this into a sort of a cone, and you would put it on the heads of people who are a bit silly and make a dunce's cap. And they sat in the corner with a dunce's cap there, and it was known as a foolscap. Not so. That's not the origin. It all goes back to a watermark. What's that? Well, you've probably seen a watermark. In fact, if you have a piece of paper money, it's got a watermark in it. It's a proof that the money isn't counterfeit. So have a look at this. Looking at it straight on, or at least with the light on this side, you can't see much at all. But rotate it with the light coming through it, and you'll see, lo and behold, up comes a picture. Just there. That's the watermark. It's a picture hidden in the fibres of the paper by a special process. And it's a way of checking that your money is really okay. Well, the original foolscap had one of those too. You can't see it in this form. There it is, down in the bottom right-hand corner, but there's nothing to be seen. It's just ordinary paper, until you put it into water. Let me just do that. Dunk that corner into this bowl, and let it soak into the fibres, and it does wondrous things for the watermark. So hold it up again, you can see shining through there, a picture is beginning to show. It's a funny sort of shape, but in fact it is the hat of a jester. And hundreds of years ago, jesters were, well, quite favourite people. They kept people amused at court, and they wore an interesting costume. And one of the parts of the costume was a cap with bells, and that's a picture of the rather ornate cap you see there. It was the jester's cap, or the fool's cap. It was a watermark put in to prove that this paper was the real thing, and the name Foolscap has persisted with it to this day.
I want to know. Curiosity.